Hello everybody, this is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author and travel explorer. Firstly, as I'm feeling extremely joyful and even more joyful being in this space, I'd like to express my gratitude. Jai 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 Balaji. I can see the Lord. And now let me show you where I am. Wow. What an absolutely splendid space. You'll not find all this in Google Maps or by any travel explorer. Only a travel explorer can tell you, not a blogger or a vlogger. Look at this. Magnificent. Amidst the dense forest. And people keep asking me, Karthik, you go to all these amazing places, but why is it that you don't share the location with anybody? The reason I don't is, now tell me something, what you notice here. Something that you notice here. Something very, very unusual that you notice here. Think. I can find just one beer bottle here. Can you see that? There, that tin, green color tin. Yeah, there. If people knew about this place and everybody starts posting about these places, what will happen is the whole place will become cluttered with plastics. People will eat and they'll throw it senselessly. So this is amazing that such places still exist, and it is such a fantastic experience. Absolutely magnificent, serene and very, very vibrant. I feel very thankful to be in these spaces where there is so much of waterfall, greenery and life. So now I'm going to be keeping my legs here and experience this space for some time. It's always a wonderful experience because your legs will feel rejuvenated when you put them in these spaces. Wonderful. And I always do this whenever I travel. Of course, you need a little bit of permission. Sometimes people enter without permission, but this is an incredible space, absolutely amazing. And this is so fantastic. I'm going to be here for some time, maybe a couple of hours. It's amazing. Jai Balaji.